Routing helps cut out the customer panels or individual circuits from the production panel, creating the final outline. It offers an alternative to V-score, also allowing customers to separate the individual circuits after assembly. First, we secure the production panel on the routing machine table using tooling holes for proper alignment with the circuitry. Usually we stack 2 or more production panels on top of each other and fix them with pins on the machine table for alignment. Once secured, we load the outline program specific to the PCB design into the machine. This program defines the route contour and selects the necessary tools. The routing machine then cuts the PCB from the production panel, allowing them to be separated. The final step is to wash the product to remove any particles from the surface. Our PCB specification shows the minimum tolerances that shall be applied, but if a customer requires tighter tolerances, we follow those. The results are defined in our Certificate of Conformity. We only use approved routing machines for NCAB products. Additionally, we support customers' PCB designers with detailed design guidelines, specifying tolerances for PCB profile, holes, and other crucial elements.